Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing Mughlai Paneer gravy, a dish in which succulent pieces of paneer are simmered in a rich, creamy and mildly spiced gravy that makes you craving for more, as this dish is the best companion for naan, roti and veg pulao. Heat up a pan, add around half a teaspoon of oil and start frying the garlic, ginger and white onion. Add 2 to 3 green chillies. Saute this for a few minutes and allow it to cool before blending. Add half a teaspoon of oil in the frying pan. Start frying up the paneer which has been cubed. Once it has got fried on one side, you can flip it and cook it on the other side for a few more minutes till it is golden brown in color. Heat up a pot, add around a teaspoon of oil followed by a teaspoon of ghee. Add the whole dry spices. Then add the ground garlic, ginger and white onion paste. Fry it for a minute. Add white pepper powder followed by coriander and cumin seed powder, garam masala powder. Fry it for a minute. Add the yogurt. Followed by adding the ground almond and cashew nut paste. The flame should be low throughout the process. Then you can add in the fried pieces of paneer, season it with little amount of salt and adjust the consistency with little amount of water. Once the gravy starts boiling, to finish up the gravy, add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream followed by few Kasuri Methi or Fenugreek leaves. You can crush it and add it directly to the pot. And our gravy is almost done and it is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video and please click the like button and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.